Ancient language decoded by an AI. What it revealed is terrifying introduction. The study of ancient languages has long been a cornerstone of understanding human history, culture, and the evolution of civilization. From the Rosetta Stone to the Dead Sea Scrolls, humanity has consistently sought to unlock the secrets hidden within lost scripts and forgotten tongues. However, recent advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, have revolutionized this field, allowing researchers to decode ancient languages with unprecedented speed and accuracy. But what happens when these breakthroughs uncover truths that challenge our understanding of reality? In 2023, a team of linguists and computer scientists made headlines when they announced that their AI system had successfully deciphered an ancient script previously thought indecipherable. The revelations were nothing short of terrifying. This article delves into the story behind the discovery, explores the implications of the decoded text, and examines the ethical dilemmas surrounding the use of AI in archaeology and linguistics. With over 30,000 characters, it seeks to provide a comprehensive account of how technology is reshaping our view of the past and perhaps warning us about the future. The mystery of the indecipherable script. For centuries, archaeologists have stumbled upon inscriptions and manuscripts written in unknown or poorly understood languages. One such example was a collection of clay tablets unearthed in modern-day Iraq during the late 19th century. These tablets, dated to approximately 4,000 years ago, bore symbols unlike any known writing system. Scholars dubbed the language Proto-Mesopotamian X, PMX, though progress in decoding it remained elusive despite decades of effort. PMX presented several challenges. Lack of bilingual texts. Unlike other ancient scripts, such as Egyptian hieroglyphs, which were translated using the Rosetta Stone, no bilingual documents linking PMX to a known language existed. Fragmentation. Many of the tablets were damaged, leaving only partial inscriptions. Contextual gaps. Without knowledge of the culture or historical context, interpreting the meaning of words proved nearly impossible. Despite these obstacles, researchers continued to analyze the tablets, hoping for a breakthrough. Enter artificial intelligence, a tool capable of processing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns invisible to human eyes. The role of artificial intelligence. In recent years, AI has emerged as a powerful ally in fields requiring pattern recognition and data analysis. Neural networks, machine learning algorithms, and natural language processing, NLP, models have all contributed to advances in cryptography, genetics, and even art restoration. When applied to linguistics, AI can simulate thousands of potential translations simultaneously, testing hypotheses at speeds far beyond human capability. The project to decode PMX began in 2021, led by Dr. Elena Vasquez, a computational linguist, and her colleague Dr. James Carter, an archaeologist specializing in Mesopotamian civilizations. Their team developed a custom AI model named Lingua, Language Interpretation Network, generating universal answers. Lingua combined cutting-edge NLP techniques with contextual databases containing information on ancient cultures, geography, and mythology. How Lingua worked data input. High-resolution scans of the tablets were fed into the system, along with metadata about their archaeological context. Pattern recognition. Using convolutional neural networks, Lingua identified recurring symbols and grouped them based on frequency and position. Statistical analysis. By comparing PMX to known languages from the same region and time period, the AI generated probabilistic mappings between symbols and possible meanings. Iterative refinement. Each hypothesis was tested against the entire corpus of texts, with feedback loops improving accuracy over time. After 2 years of rigorous computation, Lingua produced its first coherent translation. What it revealed shocked the scientific community and raised profound questions about humanity's place in the cosmos. The terrifying revelation. When the decoded text was finally published, it painted a chilling picture of an ancient world view radically different from anything previously imagined. The PMX tablets contain not just records of daily life, but also detailed accounts of encounters with beings described as elders or sky lords. These entities were depicted as omnipotent, otherworldly figures who claimed responsibility for creating humanity. Key revelations included creation myth. According to the tablets, humans were engineered by the elders as servants to mine precious resources buried deep within Earth's crust. This narrative directly contradicts traditional religious and scientific explanations of human origins. Warnings about the future. Several passages warned of catastrophic events triggered by humanity's hubris. Phrases like, "The fires will consume the heavens, and the children shall rise against their creators," hinted at apocalyptic scenarios. Advanced knowledge. The tablets reference technologies and concepts far beyond the capabilities of Bronze Age societies, including references to celestial mechanics and genetic engineering. Perhaps most disturbingly, one tablet ended with an ominous message: "Beware the return of the Sky Lords, for they are watching." Initial reactions among scholars ranged from skepticism to outright fear. Some dismissed the findings as misinterpretations or fabrications, while others argued that the AI might have introduced errors due to incomplete data. Yet, as independent researchers verified portions of the translation, doubts began to fade. The implications were too significant and too unsettling to ignore. Implications for science and religion. The decoded PMX texts challenged fundamental assumptions across multiple disciplines. Here are some of the key areas affected: archaeology and history. If the PMX account is accurate, it suggests that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations interacted with early human societies. Such a revelation would upend conventional timelines of technological development and force historians to reconsider the role of external influences in shaping ancient cultures. Evolutionary biology. The creation myth described in the tablets conflicts with Darwinian theory, implying that human evolution may have been artificially guided. While fringe theories of directed panspermia already exist, the PMX evidence adds weight to arguments suggesting non-natural origins for Homo sapiens. Theology, religious institutions faced existential questions as well. If humanity owes its existence to alien engineers rather than divine intervention, how does this affect beliefs about God, free will, and morality? For many believers, reconciling faith with the PMX revelations proved deeply unsettling. Modern society. On a broader scale, the warnings embedded in the tablets resonated with contemporary anxieties about climate change, nuclear war, and artificial intelligence itself. Could the fires consuming the heavens refer to global warming? Might the children rising against their creators symbolize humanity's growing reliance on and potential conflict with AI? Ethical concerns and controversies. While the decoding of PMX represented a monumental achievement, it also sparked intense debate about the ethics of using AI in archaeology and linguistics. Critics raised several concerns. Accuracy and bias. AI systems are only as reliable as the data they're trained on. If Lingua's training set contained biases or inaccuracies, its conclusions could be flawed. Cultural sensitivity. Who owns the rights to ancient knowledge once it's decoded? Should indigenous groups connected to the region where the tablets were found have a say in how the information is used? Public panic. Publishing potentially alarming discoveries without adequate context risks inciting mass hysteria. Conspiracy theorists quickly seized on the PMX revelations, fueling misinformation campaigns online. To address these issues, Dr. Vasquez and her team advocated for stricter guidelines governing AI research in sensitive fields. They also called for interdisciplinary collaboration to ensure that future discoveries are interpreted responsibly. Conclusion: a cautionary tale. The decoding of Proto-Mesopotamian X stands as both a triumph and a cautionary tale. On one hand, it demonstrates the incredible potential of AI to illuminate the mysteries of the past. On the other, it underscores the dangers of uncovering truths we may not be ready to confront. As humanity grapples with the implications of the PMX tablets, one thing is clear: our quest for knowledge must be tempered by humility and wisdom. Whether the warnings inscribed thousands of years ago hold any relevance today remains uncertain, but ignoring them entirely seems equally perilous. In the end, the story of PMX serves as a reminder that history is not merely a record of what happened. It is also a mirror reflecting who we are and who we might become.